Hi everyone, this is Mahmood Ul Hassan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's session, we will look into the sales order processing in advanced warehouse management in D365. We will walk through the full end-to-end flow, starting from the releasing of a sales order to warehouse and picking items from the picking location and putting them to the bay door uh, or putting location, all using the mobile application. But before we get into the details of the demo, we will also explore some of the major prerequisite configurations that we have to do to run smoothly this process. So let's go to the D365 and look into the some major configurations. If I go and click on the modules and warehouse management, location directives, you can see that for the sales order work type, I have created two location directives. One is for pick and one is for put. And if we check the details of the SO pick, you can see that the work type is pick. I have also assigned my warehouse, my lines, and if I go to the location directive actions, you can see that I have created a action for the fixed and non-fixed locations. And if I click on edit query, you can see that I have assigned location profile ID pick 01. That is because I wanted to pick the products from that specific picking locations. And if I go to the location profile ID, let me go to the location profile ID. Warehouse and location profiles. Look for the location profile pick 01. Okay. On this location profile ID, you can see that the use license plate tracking is off because I don't want to track the license plate or enter the license plate uh, for the picking locations. If I go back again to the location directives, go to the DCSO put location directive, you can see that the work type is put. I have also assigned the my warehouse lines, and if I go to the query, you can see that location profile ID bay door is assigned. That is because I wanted to put the items to that specific bay door locations. And if I go to the location profile ID of bay door under location profiles bay door, you can see that when I put the items to the bay door, the system will ask me to enter the license plate number for this, because that is because the use license plate tracking is enabled on this location profile ID. Let's look into our second prerequisite, that is work templates. Work order type is sales order, and DCSO pick I have created this work template. This work template has two lines, that is one is pick and one for the put, and all binded to the work class ID. Our third and major configuration for this whole process is wave templates. You can see that I have created a wave template with the name main DC shipping. I have assigned my warehouse and the wave template information. You can see that automatic wave creation is toggled as yes. Process wave at release to the warehouse is also toggled as yes, and automatic wave release is also toggled as what this when this process when I when I release the sales order to the warehouse, what it will do, it will validate the wave, it will create a load, it will allocate the wave, and it will create the work as well. We will move to our next setup, that is mobile device menu items. Okay, so I have created the mobile device and menu item as SOPIC. You can see that its mode is work. It will use the existing work. Why it will use the existing work? Because the work is created already when we have released the sales order to the warehouse. And it will also generate the license plate. And you can see that I have also assigned the work class ID on the mobile device menu item. Okay, so these are some major configurations. Let's create some sales orders and process them via mobile application. Click on new. I will select my customers. Let's say Cave Wholesales. I will select my warehouse, that is a advanced warehouse, main DC, and click on OK. I will enter my product. And I will leave the quantity as 1 because I wanted to add, I wanted to, for this demo, I wanted it as simple as possible. Before we release the products to the warehouse, we have a process, that is the reservation. I can also configure the auto reservation, but for this demo, I will reserve the inventory manually. For this, we will go to the inventory under maintain reservation, and I will reserve the lot. Go back and click on release to warehouse. Okay, so you can see that wave has been submitted to run in the batch. Wave have been created and shipment has been created as well. I will refresh the order and go to the warehouse. You can see that under the work details, the work is created. If I go back from the same warehouse menu, I can see the load as well. It is also created. And if I also check the shipment, you can see that the shipment is also created. Let's sign in our mobile application and process this sales order via mobile application. I will log in using my user ID and password. That was the menu item that we have created earlier, sales order pick. I will click on it. I will scan or enter my work. copy the work ID, go to the mobile application again, and I will enter the work ID here. Okay, so now the system, my picking location is system have assigned my picking location, my target license plate as well. I will click on OK. Okay, so system will put it on my bay door location. I will confirm. Work order is completed. If I go back to the reach client and refresh the works window, you can see that my work is now closed and system have picked this product from this picking location and put it to the this bay door location. If I click on related information, click on load, you can see that the load is also in loaded state now. If I go back and we under related information, click on shipment, so you can see that the shipment is also in the loaded status. Okay, so that wraps up our today's demo, sales order processing in D365 Advanced Warehouse Management. We covered the complete flow from releasing a sales order to the warehouse to picking and putting items using the mobile device application. I also highlighted some of major key configurations behind the scene to smoothly run this process. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe. We will meet you in the next session on advanced warehouse management. Till then, take care. Bye bye.